Hey there, welcome back to my channel. I'm feeling real fancy today. I was a little bored, so I was like, you know what? I'm gonna put on some makeup. So I did the whole thing. I'm okay with how it turned out though. I didn't have a lot of light, but it turned out pretty good. But I look with my glasses on, I'm like Supergirl. Supergirl. Now do I look like a different person? Anyway, so welcome back to my channel. My name is Amber Valentina, and this video is going to be talking about, it's going to be talking about this hair. This is my Yummy Lao Wavy hair. I just did my unboxing, not even a week ago. Well, yeah, it was like a week ago. And so you can see my previous video to when I talk about most of the stuff, like how I received the hair and how it felt and blah, 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 blah. But I wanted to do a video like now, and then I'm going to do some stuff to my hair, and then so you could see even better. But so this is the Lao Wavy. This is 2 bundles and 1 frontal. The frontal 16 inches and the 2 bundles are, it's like, I'll get into that. The bundles, the 2 bundles are 18 inches both, and then the frontal is 16 inches. I feel like I look like Tina Knowles right now. I'm feeling the Tina Knowles vibe. But anyway, so let's get into it, because again, like, this is not like a paid thing. I've watched I don't know how many videos about hair companies before I purchased my hair. I did a lot of research because I times are tough, coronavirus. And I wanted to make sure that I was making a very good investment in myself and in my hair. So I was like, I need to make sure that I get good hair. Like, I can't be cheap about it. I have to be like real. So, and I need it to last, like, till I die. That's how long I want this hair to last. But till I'm like 105. But anyway, but I really like the hair. So let me start off by saying that, because sometimes I've watched people's videos and they're talking for like 10 minutes before they say if they like the hair or not. So let me just say, I'm not a hairstylist. I don't know anything about hair, actually. But I really do like this hair. I think it is so pretty. It is so soft. I was very, very scared because obviously when you get the hair, and you'll see in my previous video, when you get the hair, it's in the darker, like, natural colors. When I did send off for my hair, I did ask for the lightest brown that they had because I wanted to put color in it. And honestly, I didn't really have like a real color in mind. I just wanted it to be colored because I've been platinum blonde for like almost 2 years. And so I was ready for something different. And I was like, okay, I know I didn't want to just go dark. I wanted to have some sort of color. So I'm going to talk about that process too. So I got the hair. I think the day that I got the frontal, I went and colored it. I did not put it in or I hate the word install, but that's what everyone's saying. I didn't have it installed first. I put the color on first. So I kept it in the weft holder while I put the color on it. And what I did was I bleached it with a 30 developer, and I bleached it once and then rinsed it, and I didn't like it. And I was like, no, what am I going to do? So then I bleached it again. Like this, was it the same day? No, I bleached it the next day. So I washed it, let it air dry a little, and then I bleached it again. The same thing with 30 developer, and it came up a lot more, but it was hard because I couldn't re-bleach the pieces that I had bleached before. So like I turned the bundle sideways. So it was like, the weft was like this instead of like this. I don't know if that makes sense. But then I bleached it going the other direction and put like the pieces. I was going for more of a balayage type of look. Like I'm gonna try to turn around so you can see. Well, I'm in my spinny chair, so I could probably just spin around. I haven't really seen the back of my head though, so I don't know what it looks like back there. But so I did that, and then I rinsed it out. Oh, we put a color on it. Well, no, we didn't. Sorry, we didn't put a color on it. So we bleached it again, and then rinsed it out, and then we blew it dry. I'm sorry, we rinsed it out, washed it. I washed it with a little purple shampoo, and when I washed it with the purple shampoo, instead of putting the purple shampoo on the hair, I put it in water, and then I like rubbed the hair into the water. Now I was terrified because I didn't want the hair to die, and I was like, this hair, like, it costs too much money for me to be picking it up, you know? So I was like, oh God, what's gonna happen? But I put it in the purple shampoo water, and I, rubbed it around and then rinsed it out. Put some conditioner on it, like a curl for I'm sorry, not a curl, for colored hair conditioner. I put that on it, and then I put it in a plastic cap, and I let it sit for like an hour with a lot of conditioner on it. And then I rinsed out the conditioner and then blew it dry a little. So it wasn't like super wet, but it wasn't like 100% dry. It was maybe like 75% dry, and then had it installed. So when I first got it done, so I've had it in now for only not even a week yet. It's only been a few days, but let me tell you what happened. So I had it installed, it was in its natural state. I'm making this video because the hair is in its, sorry, someone's trying to come in. It's in its natural state right now. So this is, I did blow dry it a little bit because it was like, just the top. But I didn't even really blow it dry. I was just kind of like, but this is how the hair looks like after it's been washed. This is its natural state. So I wanted to show you its natural state before, and I'm going to go curl it after and then show you what it looks like. But this is how it looks like when it's just in its natural state, when it's air dried. And like, this is the curl pattern. As you can see, my frontal has a little bit more curl than the hair does. Here, I'll turn around. I don't know what it looks like back there, but look, I'm trying to see if I can see it, but I can't. Hopefully it looks okay. And like I said, it's 18 inches. I'm 5'7", so it goes like right under my boob. That's the length in front. And then when I stand up in the back, I don't want to stand up because I don't really have pants on. But when I stand up in the back, it goes down my back. It's like right above. I have pretty much of a actual torso, so it's not like I'm I have no torso, and I'm just a big head and some legs. I have a torso. So it like sits right above my butt, and I have a big booty, so. But anyway, so that's how long the hair is. It's a nice length. I wanted to get longer. I wanted to get an 18 and a 20, but they didn't have any 20s. But like I said in my previous video, when I stretched the hair and measured it, because I measured it, it was 20 inches anyway. So I was like, oh, okay. Anyway, so that's what I did, had it installed. So then when I woke up, I didn't like it. It was very, very, very brassy and orange. And it was really late at night when I was getting the hair installed. So that's probably why I didn't notice. I just wanted to go to bed, and I was tired and I was over it. But it was really orange, and I didn't like it at all. Like, not even a little bit. So I was like, I don't want to walk around here looking like I have Ernie, from Bert and Ernie. I didn't want to walk around with Ernie sitting on top of my head. So I was like, let me tone this. So I used the Wella T18 toner, and I put it in for like an hour while the hair is installed on my head. So I put the toner on it, let it sit for like an hour. Then I rinsed it out, and still did not blow it dry. I just let it air dry. And again, so like this hair has been bleached, what is it, like two times, um, and had a toner on it. So it's gone through a lot. And again, I was terrified because I was like, if it starts tangling or shedding, I'm gonna die. But as you can see, it does not shed. I think like I've seen a couple strands, but it's just like normal. Like if this was my real hair, and you know when you lose hair every day. So like if this was my real hair and I'm brushing it, it'll be like one strand. Um, it's nothing like that. I'm like, oh, this is just terrible and sad. Also, what I noticed is when I wet it, it seems like it's really strawy and dry, and it makes me terrified. Um, and but I put like I use the Tresemme conditioner, and I just kind of co-wash it, and it is like silky smooth. And then once it starts like drying, it's so soft. It is so soft. This hair is so soft. And I'm like, this hair, like seriously, in the past like 4 days of its life, it has gone through some stuff. And it is so soft. And I think you can see like it's shiny. I don't have anything in it right now. I sprayed like a little what do you call it? Argan oil. Not even oil. It was like a leave-in conditioner. I sprayed that in there. But that's it. And it's so soft, so shiny. I have curled it, so I have put heat on it, so it's not like, you know, I don't know what's going to happen when I put heat on it. I curled it um I curled it twice. So I used the heat protectant spray when I did curl it. So the first time, you know, I sprayed it as I curled it. I curled it with a regular curling iron first, and it was very pretty. It was big. It held and then I wrapped my hair at night, and put my like, you know, bonnet on and went to sleep. And then when I woke up, I just took the bonnet off and kind of shook it, and it just like fell, and it was these big puffy like curls. But then I was like, I wonder what it would look like with like more of a beach wavy curl. So then I wand my whole head like the next day. And again, like I said, I don't know nothing about hair, okay? So don't come for me. So I wand curled it the next day, and again, used the heat protectant spray. This was not yesterday, the day before yesterday. So it was Thursday. I don't know. Today is Saturday, just in case, you know, you're seeing this on a different day. Today, when I filmed this, it was Saturday. So I curled it with a curling iron. I'm sorry, I curled it with a curling iron on Thursday. I don't know. Coronavirus has taken my brain, and I don't know what day but I did it on some day. I think Thursday. I don't know. But I did wand curl it. Beautiful. It was beautiful. And then I was like, but how do I sleep with this? Because I like hardly sleep anyway because I'm a vampire. So I was like, let me, you know, try to pin curl this up. And I was like, no, I'm not sleeping with this stuff in my head. So I wrapped it, and then I took the thing off, shook it, and it fell like right here in the front. These like these two like pieces in the front, they on this side especially, they straightened a little bit more, but the rest of it stayed. It was like a looser beach wave, so it was like woo, like all the way down. It was really pretty, but I had like a pain on my scalp, like right here, and it doesn't hurt anymore. But I had a pain on my scalp, so I went and got some tea tree oil, and I used a little droplet, and I dropped it into my scalp, but I didn't dilute it. So my husband was like, I'm getting high sitting next to you. I was like, oh, because it was a lot of oil. I had put a lot of oil on my scalp, and it made my hair smell like pepper, like tea tree oil. And then it started to get a little oily because I guess I might have missed a couple spots. So I was like, I'm gonna have to wash it again. So then I washed it today, and then did my makeup, and now I'm doing this video. So that's why it's like this again. But like again, as you can see, ooh, oh, oh. I really like it though. I really do love this hair. I think it's so so soft. Like I can't get over how soft it is. And even when I was blow drying my like roots, I didn't use a brush or nothing. I was just like, you know, like I just was holding it and letting it dry. Look how it falls. Oh, this hair is so pretty. Like I know it is an investment. So look. I'm not like being sponsored. They got some nice hair. I like all of like everything about the hair. And this morning, was it this morning? It was yesterday morning. I woke up and I looked in the mirror and I was like, okay, I do like this. I do like it. I think it's very pretty and it fits me. Like, you know, I know you don't know me, but this hair fits me. It does. And I've been blonde for a very long time, but I feel like this is me. Like, honestly, this is like how my hair looked when I was like a little kid. You know, how those like little yellow kids that had like that weird color hair to match their weird eyes. That was me. So like when I look in the mirror, I think it took me a minute to be like, whoa, I haven't looked like this since I was like 6. So what? But I think it's really pretty. Again, it's really soft. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go curl it. And then I'm going to come back so you can see what it looks like curled. I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. I curled my hair. I didn't like, you know, well, it looks pretty good actually. I did it really quick though. I did a wand and I wand curled it. So this is what the hair looks like with heat on it. And like I said, I used the Tresemme heat resistant, I believe it's spray. Should have brought it. Should have brought it in here. Sorry if you can hear my dog is snoring. But I spray the hair. I don't know what's happening with this curl right here, but I spray the hair and then wand it, and this is the results. And I still haven't used a comb. Like even parting, I just parted it with my hands, and you know, I'm running my fingers through it. Such pretty hair. Yummy, you did good. I'm back to my my second identity with my glasses on. But so then now you can see what the hair looks like. I'll turn around. Well, now again, I'm not a hairstylist, so this is the back. Hopefully it looks okay. My husband's on a Zoom call, so if you hear him yelling, or not yelling, but okay, yeah, that's him. But yeah, so that's it. I'm gonna, you know, I'm not taking the hair out anytime soon. Plan on wearing it until, as long as I can, until probably I get bored and I want just a regular color. And even then, I'm probably just gonna still buy Yummy hair. I don't think I would buy another hair. Maybe I'll try a curly one next time. I don't know. But so that is it. I know this was a little bit of a long video. I was trying to make it short, but I didn't know that I am so long-winded. You know what I realized though? Don't tell nobody, but like, you know, I was playing, you know, when I put on this makeup and stuff, and I realized I didn't put on not a powder. So when I was curling my hair, I was like, that looks so shiny because I didn't put no powder. There's no powder on this yellow face. But yeah, so make sure you like and subscribe. I'm going to be doing more reviews on my channel, so just be on the lookout because I am an opinionated person. So, you know, I was like, why not share my opinion? Because I'm always looking to YouTube to get other people's opinions. I should put mine on there. So be on the lookout. And I have some other things coming up. So go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.